Coach Walter.
Jack, how are you?
How are you? Come on in, please. This is my wife, Rebecca.
So nice to meet you. Thank you for coming over,
Of
Coach.
course, very nice to meet you as well.
Hey.
Hey, Evan, this is my brother Gabe. Gabe, this is Evan.
Sanvi, meet my gaming buddy, Dr. Patrick Cooper.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Jordy, this is Dash. Dash, this is Jordy, my new roommate.
Hey.
Hey. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Hey, man.
Oh, this is Zach.
Hey, Zach. Nice to meet you. Colin.
Me too.
Ray, this is my mother. Mom, this is Ray. Nice to meet you.
Well, nice to meet you.
Alyssa Green, I'd like you to meet the one and only Deacon Claiborne.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
Oh, no, the pleasure is mine, Mr. Claiborne.
This is Caleb, my son.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. Hey. Maddie, this is Jackie Florick. It's very nice to finally meet you, Mrs. Florick.
Miss Chappelle, this is my brother Jamie.
Pleased to meet you.
Pleasure's all mine.
This is my friend, Richie Schwanu.
Welcome.
Hey. Hey, Kim. Hey. Right, Kevin. Hey, this is my dad. Dad, this is Kevin Bix.
Well, we are so delighted you're here.
Judge Wilson and Mrs. Wilson.
Oh, please call me Libby.
These are my mom, Steph, and Lena.
Hello. Hi, I'm Steph. Nice to meet you, Libby.
Nice to meet you.
And my sister, Mariana. Hi.
Hello, welcome.
I've heard so much about you, Judge. Your Honor.
Oh, well, all good things.
I highly doubt that.
And this is Jamie.
Hey, Jamie. Honored to meet you, sir.
There's someone I want you to meet. This is my mother.
Regina. It's nice to finally meet you.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Hope.
Hi. This is my friend Whitney.
Wow.
Wife!
Friend. Okay. Juliet Barnes.
This is my mother, Beverly O'Connor.
Oh, your mama. Nice to meet you.
Well, nice to meet you, too.
This is Jane Chapman. She's new here. Hi.
Welcome, Renata Klein.
Thank you.
This is Emma Bella.
Hi.
This is Joey. This is Phoebe. And this is Chandler. And you remember Ross?
Oh, hello, Ross.
Mrs. Green.
So,